What's a lot of grunting and banging? It's coming from behind Mr. Watt's shed. I think he's putting wheels on his shed. Are you moving your shed, Mr. Watt? Why? Because the railway's coming. What do you mean the railway's coming? That's a good thing, isn't it, Mr. Watt? New people, new things, opportunity, progress. What's that you say, Mr. Watt? Your shed is standing in the way of progress? Pull, Mr. Watt! Pull! Quick! Faster! The future's not looking bright, Mr. Watt! You've pulled it the wrong way, Mr. Watt! It's crunch time! Not so much a wheel of fortune, Mr. Watt. More like a round of cuts. Save yourself, Mr. Watt. You've got a shed load of trouble. Oh no, Mr. Watt. It's all gone pear-shaped. Willie's shed a tear. It's a catastrophe, Mr. Watt. Oh well, never mind. See you later.